Translate phrases to expressions as rates or ratios. First, let's talk about the difference between a rate and a ratio. If we're talking about a rate, we're talking about different units. So like miles per hour, that's a rate. A ratio has the same units. Like I used 4 cups and you used 2 cups. Same units. There's the difference between a rate and a ratio. They're still both fractions of a sort. So, words that inspire rate and ratio, right? We want to be inspired. So the big key here is, how do you know if you're dealing with a rate or a ratio? And this is both, right? Both or either of these. The difference only being same rates or same units, different units. That's the idea. So if you see the word per or to, like miles per hour, 6 feet to 2 feet, for, in, from, or ratio of. That's kind of an easy one because it's got the word ratio in it. But any of these kind of show you that we are comparing two items. Could be the same units, could be different units. Let's jump in. Let's write as a simplified rate or ratio. $60 for 3 hours of work. First, I want you to recognize dollars and hours. Those are different, so this is a rate. Great. So if I have $60 for 3 hours, I'm a fraction person. I can reduce and simplify things a lot easier if it's written as a fraction. So when I see 60 over 3, I say, hey, those are both reducible by 3. So I can divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this means our rate is $20 per hour. Not too shabby. 155 miles in H hours. Again, let's look. Miles, hours. This is a rate because our units are different. So order matters. Whatever comes first, right? I've got 155 miles, H hours. Now, H is unidentified. I don't know the value of H, and therefore I can't simplify. Let's go to the next one. Why teachers to 487 students? Well, again, we have different units, so this is a rate. And we have Y teachers comes first. So we would have Y teachers over 487 students. So you have to make sure that you're paying attention to the order. So whatever comes first would go on top in the fraction. It would go first if you're writing the colon, right? Because we know that ratios can be written different ways. But the big key is order matters. So just remember that. Whatever comes first goes on top.